Grow fresh, live green, a Smart Hydroponics review. Tired of sad, store-bought herbs? Let's dive into the world of Smart Hydroponics and see if this 12-pod system is your ticket to an indoor garden oasis. This Smart Hydroponics system lets you grow up to 12 plants at once, all without soil. Imagine fresh basil, mint, and lettuce thriving in your kitchen, office, or even your classroom. This system is packed with features designed for the modern gardener. The full-spectrum LED grow light mimics sunlight, ensuring your plants get the energy they need. Plus, the automatic timer takes the guesswork out of lighting schedules. A quiet water circulation system keeps everything oxygenated and healthy. Smart controls on select models even offer app connectivity for easy monitoring and adjustments. It's gardening, reinvented. Get ready for rapid growth. Plants in this system grow up to 5x faster than in soil. You'll see germination in just days, and soon you'll be harvesting your own delicious herbs and greens. The full-spectrum LEDs provide excellent light coverage, and the quiet pump won't disrupt your peace. Just remember to keep the room temperature between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal growth. Don't miss this opportunity to buy this product now. Click on the link below to place your order. This system is incredibly beginner-friendly. Setup takes just minutes, and there's no soil, pests, or weeding to worry about. The app connectivity makes scheduling and monitoring a breeze. Maintenance is minimal. Just replenish the water every 1 to 2 weeks and clean the system every month or two. It's the perfect solution for busy urban dwellers and aspiring gardeners. Priced between $60 to $150, this Smart Hydroponic system offers incredible value. You'll save money on groceries, reduce waste, and enjoy fresh, homegrown produce year-round. It's also a fantastic educational tool for kids and a fun hobby for adults. Plus, imagine the satisfaction of harvesting your own salad ingredients right from your countertop. If you're an urban dweller, hobbyist, or anyone seeking a sustainable and convenient way to grow fresh herbs and greens indoors, this 12-pod Smart Hydroponics system is a must-have. Ready to transform your space into a thriving indoor garden? Click the link below to explore the best Smart Hydroponic systems and start growing your own delicious, healthy food today. Oh, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.